Welcome to Van Abelman Designs, where we sell beautiful and unique mosaics. Take a look at some of the galleries at our website. You can use them for your tile backsplash, entryway tile inlays, or wall decor. Pieces can be ordered on mosaic mesh, allowing you to apply and grout yourself, or have them attached to cement board and framed in accordance with customer required dimensions. This short video is a customer requested mosaic of the Jewish star, also known as the Star of David, or in Hebrew, Magen David. It is constructed of blue and white ceramic tile on mesh and applied to backer board with a travertine frame. Get yours to show your support for Israel today. Mosaics like the one shown in the video start at $70, not including shipping and tax. Email us today and order yours. And please take the time to click the like button and hit the subscribe button to be notified of new video updates. Shalom and thanks.